try to do a quick video of a little project I've been working on. I guess we could dub it Project Anarchy Motocross. This back side runs down the right side of the property, comes straight back to at the middle of our property. Got the chicken coop down there, Max's Sport. All off to the left there, that's penned in. And here we have this trail that comes across in front of the shooting berm. Obviously we won't be riding quads while we're shooting, but that's the shooting berm right there. I could get at it with a weed whacker. At the top of this berm is we're going to build a ramp up this so that we're able to come through and ride straight up this and come down on the other side. Should be fun. But trust me, it's not that easy. And it takes a lot of dirt. And we don't have a lot of dirt here in Florida. Maybe something like that. Definitely got to make sure I get these stones out of here. I don't want to be coming around and bumping into something like that. This is a fun trail to come flying down and burn right into the fire pit. Did run water all the way out here. I still have to bury the line. Like to put a shower out here and a sink. I have a feeling we're going to be getting muddy. We got to move that old piece of crap. I don't even know why I got that. We're working on just a little something. A little bump to ride over. We just don't have things like this here in Florida. Everything, especially South Florida. Deep, dirty South. We got flat. That's it. Everything's flat. This big mound is gonna really just be leveled off over here, pulled back through here, kind of level off in here and make it a lot smoother. Be a big, nice open area to do donuts and other fun mud stuff. Contemplating knocking a bunch of these palm trees down to create more room in here. Maybe those 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7. Leave up just a couple here to create a little line. A lot of work. And then we're gonna build a clubhouse over here. It's a giant barn garage, something like that. Some kind of big barn garage that built in with AC. They put a pool table in there and other fun things. Area to do breaks. It's a cool hangout spot. Maybe even build it to have like a cool jump that goes over it. That's what I've been working on. Still a lot of trees I gotta take down. I want to take all these trees down, clean that up. Fuck, I didn't even show this side of the... Maybe leave this mound right here. Flatten that out, pull those rocks out of there, make a nice little jump into here. You never knock the palm tree down. It's a lot of fun. AnarchySportsClub Motocross.